This step-by-step guide will show you how to replace the battery in your Prox PRD. You will need a thin, flathead screwdriver or an opening tool that you're comfortable with using, such as the one shown here, to open the PRD. When the PRD starts beeping, it's time to change the battery for another high-quality battery, such as a Panasonic, Energizer, or Duracell battery. Place the PRD button side up. Using a small flathead screwdriver, or the opening device shown, gently lift the cover. Remove the old CR2032 battery. When removing the old battery, place your fingers on the plastic piece surrounding the battery to hold it in place. Be sure to check that the clear polycarbonate edge near the battery has not popped out of position before inserting the new one. Insert the new battery, positive side up. Snap the cover back on, checking each corner to make sure it's tightly closed. If you have a gap that you can't close, reopen the device and check to make sure there aren't any obstructions by the clear plastic piece holding the battery in. After clearing any potential obstructions, try closing the device again. This concludes the battery replacement process, and your PRD should be on and ready to use. If on, it will automatically reconnect with your phone. If not, likely the Prox PRD was turned off accidentally while putting the cover on and needs to be turned back on. Note that replacing the battery will return all user-selectable settings to their default states, reverting alert distance and tunes to the original settings. However, your Bluetooth pairing to your phone will remain intact.
Prox PRD, we keep you from